Do you want to lose weight? You don't want to exercise? Here are some simple and diverse meals that you should eat in order to lose weight. On Monday. For breakfast, 2 eggs fried in pastured butter served with sauteed greens. For lunch, a bunless grass-fed burger topped with cheese, mushrooms, and avocado atop a bed of greens. For dinner, pork chops with green beans sauteed in coconut oil. On Tuesday. Breakfast, mushroom omelette. Lunch, tuna salad with celery and tomato atop a bed of greens. Dinner, roast chicken with cream sauce and sauteed broccoli. On Wednesday. Breakfast, bell pepper stuffed with cheese and eggs. Lunch, arugula salad with hard-boiled eggs, turkey, avocado and blue cheese. Dinner, grilled salmon with spinach, sauteed in coconut oil. Thursday. Breakfast, full-fat yogurt topped with keto granola. Lunch, steak bowl with cauliflower rice, cheese, herbs, avocado and salsa. Dinner, bison steak with cheesy broccoli. Friday. Breakfast, baked avocado egg boats. Lunch, Caesar salad with chicken. Dinner, pork chops with vegetables. Saturday. Breakfast, cauliflower toast topped with cheese and avocado. Lunch, bunless salmon burgers topped with pesto. Dinner, meatball served with zucchini noodles and parmesan cheese. Sunday. Breakfast, coconut milk chia pudding topped with coconut and walnuts. Lunch, Cobb salad made with greens, hard-boiled eggs, avocado, cheese, and turkey. Dinner, coconut chicken curry. As you can see, ketogenic meals can be diverse and flavorful. If you like this video, please subscribe and comment. See you in the next one.